I'm Dave Myers.
And I'm Cy King, and you probably know us best as the Hairy Bikers. We're here with Knorr to discover who makes Britain's best spag bol.
We've got 4 teams, each with their own special and unique take on how to make a spaghetti bolognese. All they need to do is to use a Knorr stock pot of their choice. The rest is up to them.
Hi, I'm Jenny.
Hi, I'm Lara.
We're from Hertfordshire. We feel very confident in our spag bol. It's been years in the making.
My name is Jonathan and I'm from Macclesfield in Cheshire. My spaghetti bolognese has been cooked for many years now. We've been using Knorr stock pots for quite a while anyway. The beef is just massive flavour.
My name is Vilmarie and I'm from Cheshunt. This recipe has real resonance with me as it's my mum's recipe.
My name's Titus. I first cooked this particular spag bol from my son's cookbook. I've adapted the recipe. It's very simple and it's very Moorish.
Contestants, you have 2 hours and your time starts now.
Hi Jenny, hi Laura.
Hello.
Ooh, that's an interesting ingredient.
It's an ancho chili from Mexico.
Little smoke.
Yes.
Yeah.
Exactly.
It's exciting this. I'm looking forward to tasting
I
it.
am too.
Wilmarie, hello.
Hi. So today we've got some peach chutney going in here.
Okay.
And the peach chutney just elevates the
It
flavour.
looks fascinating. I can't wait to taste it.
I can't wait to taste this fab as well.
My heroes.
Ah, flattery will not influence the decision, you know.
My secret ingredient is a lot of love.
Anything else?
A dash of balsamic vinegar at the end.
Half an hour left.
We're running a little bit behind time, but we think we can catch up.
There's a method to our madness, we think.
Need to do my salt ritual, so let's just do some salt in there. A little bit over the left shoulder for luck.
What's your secret ingredient?
I've got some local honey, which is from where I live, and then later on to cut it down a bit, sherry vinegar.
What if we put some of the water, soaking water?
Yeah, fresh water.
Yeah, fresh water.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it. Time's up.
Aye.
You're the first to finish.
It's nerve-wracking.
I like the sweet element in it.
It's very good.
Thank you.
You should
It's
be
very good.
proud. It's
Yeah.
beautiful.
All right, Titus.
Yeah, bon appetit.
It's tag bowl.
It is.
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti's a pest.
I don't think you're right.
Lovely flavours, and definitely you can taste the veggies. Hello.
Hello.
Presentation's beautiful, isn't it?
Very nice, Dave. Very nice. Well done. That ancho chili, you can taste it. Very, very subtle, very nicely balanced. Excellent.
Yeah, it's really good.
Oh, wow.
There's a lot of care in that.
Absolutely.
Taste the honey.
Nice balance, though. Nice depth of flavour. They're all so good.
I think we need to go away to deliberate, Simon. Thank you so much to all our incredible cooks. I've never tasted so many varied and delicious spag bols in all my life.
But for Dave and I, there was one that stood out. And the winner of Britain's best spag bol was, David.
It's Jonathan. It's yours.
That's yours. Look at that. Well done, mate.
Your recipe will be on the Knorr beef stock pot packet.
To win Britain's best spag bol is absolutely amazing. My tip for other spaghetti enthusiasts out there is get the best ingredients you can afford, take your time, and always use the Knorr stock pots to add some great beefy flavour.
Thank you so much for watching Britain's best spag bol. And please remember to tag us in your posts if you cook this incredible spag bol.
And if you're going to do that, don't forget to stock up on Knorr.
Oh, that's a terrible joke.
No, it wasn't.
Give it more with Knorr.